Here we have a 2016 BMW 420d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Estoril blue metallic exterior paintwork on this car, which looks absolutely fantastic. You may have also noticed we've got a full M Performance kit on this car, consisting of the front splitter, side skirts, and of course the rear diffuser and spoiler. Now coming around to this corner, you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel, M badging just there, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black side skirts down below. You've then got a shark fin antenna at the back, and there's a closer look at the third alloy wheel. Coming to the rear, you've then got the black spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely. You've also got front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust on the bottom left just there as well. Now let's have a look at the boot space on offer. There we go. Now as you can see, we've got plenty of storage space in the rear here for whatever you may need. Now we've also got the levers just here, so we can lower the rear seats should you need any additional storage space. Closing that up, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We have got a full black Dakota leather interior inside, ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got the integrated speakers on either side there as well, fold down armrest in the centre. Coming in to the front now, you've got that same full black Dakota leather interior, and how great do these seats look. Now these seats are heated, which can be controlled in the centre. On the doors you'll notice we've got a Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Electric wing mirror controls with electric window controls as well, brush metal handle there, and as you may have been able to tell, we've got the blue accents around the vehicle which match with the exterior paintwork. Now going on to the interior next, you'll see you've got auto lights on the right just here. We'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button, and we are away. Now as you can see, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with features like speed limiter and cruise control, phone controls and volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wiper controls on the right. Now as well, as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation. If you go into the media, you've got your disc, music collection, external devices consisting of USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary. You've then got your phone connectivity as well, which you can access just here for making calls or listening to your music. And then of course you've got the DAB radio function there too. Put the vehicle into reverse and you'll see you've got a visual display, both front and rear parking sensors. And then we've also got different driving modes in here, which consist of Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style at the time. Stereo controls below with traffic alerts on the left. You've then got your dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Convenient shortcuts like the max air conditioning there as well. Storage space with 2 good sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity below there. Of course we've got our gear stick here, which we can access manual and sport mode by pushing across to the left, so you can also change gears like so should you wish. Back into park for now. You've then got your traction control, different mode selects and a button to turn off the beeping on your parking sensors. We've then got our shortcuts and control wheel with touchpad for the infotainment screen, which is what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. Got this fantastic silver patterned trim throughout as well. In the centre we've got our soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage, and that's where you'll find a USB and auxiliary input. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. video test drive of this BMW 420D Sport. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with that same trigger, and then to deactivate we can either press the cruise control button or apply pressure to the brakes. Now we've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and down into 2nd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout here where I'll be taking a left turn. It's plenty of great features to talk about in this vehicle. Of course, the comfort being one. We've got the full leather interior with the heated seats for both front passengers, which not only look great but are also incredibly comfortable. We've then got our infotainment screen with a multitude of great features, including Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, DAB radio, etc. All tying in nicely, of course, to the premium sounding Harman Kardon sound system. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years. We've also offered free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We do really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now up the road ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump just to put the car through its paces a little bit for you so you can see it perform those tasks. So we'll just wait for this passing traffic, turning in now, and then emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there, no problems at all. Straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors on the display there. And now let's drive over the speed bump, so listen out for any sounds. There we go, completely free from any unwanted sounds, or knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walkaround or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.